Hi, in this video my goal is to relieve your back pain. Now, firstly I'm going to start by talking a bit about my baby. Now, what has the baby got to do with back pain? Well, today she was about 10 a.m, had a feed and got very colicky, very painful, and so she was crying. Now, the comfortable thing to do would have been to sit inside, try and reassure her, and it probably would have taken 2 or 3 hours to settle her down. The uncomfortable thing is to get out here in the rain and actually get moving, and look, we have a quiet baby. How is this relevant to your back? Well, I'm going to give you 3 top tips now which will help you to resolve your back pain. But it doesn't necessarily mean that I'm going to give you the things that are easy to do. So you want to get really good at getting in the habit of doing things that are good for you, not things that are necessarily comfortable. Number 1, if you can reduce the amount of time that you spend in bed to under 8 hours. So we know that it's been clinically proven that if you spend more than 8 hours in bed, it is likely to increase your risk of non-specific lower back pain. With non-specific lower back pain affecting 80% of the population, then it's a really quick, easy way to help to reduce your pain. So no sleeping in at the weekends. Number two is to get moving every single day. Even if it's raining, even if it's hot, even if you don't really feel like it, just get out and move for 20 minutes every single day, or you can do some gentle exercises on a mat at home. It is important to do this even if it's a little bit uncomfortable, because it increases the circulation and it helps to reduce your pain and increase your range of movement. Number 3, if you are having a flare-up of non-specific lower back pain, take pain relief regularly. Lots of people feel that they won't be able to feel the pain, but it is important that you move normally and be very careful not to guard. So guarding is where you'll see people getting up from a chair or sitting down and they'll use their hands and they'll be tensing. Remember, if you tense, then it's going to cause more pain. And I want you to think about earthquake buildings. The ones that survive are the ones that move and dissipate load. And by tensing your muscles, what you're doing is you're telling the brain that it needs to be protective, and it will often cause more pain by doing so. Often when we are tensing, we actually haven't experienced pain, we are anticipating it. So if that sounds like you, make sure that you are really relaxing before you go to stand up. Now, I've only been able to go through things really quickly in this video. So if you click on the link on this video, somewhere around this video, there'll be a link, and that will take you through to my free, I think it's top tips for back pain. And it's a free guide, you just download it and it will summarize all these pointers for you, and I go into a lot more detail than this little 2-minute video. Take care guys, have an amazing day. It's Nicole crew from the Physio crew, and we help people to rewrite their story following sports injuries and life-changing trauma. Take care.